stop what you're doing, don't scroll, and watch this short little video because what I'm about to show you is 100% newbie friendly. You see, everyday folks are earning passive royalties with just one AI tool. The cool part is you don't need tech skills, you don't need a product, you don't need an audience. All you need is this little shortcut. This new AI tool software quietly turns simple ideas into passive royalties. You don't need an email list or a website. You don't need design skills or coding skills. You click a few buttons and it builds out your product, your storybook, in a few seconds. And after that, you just publish it. Here's a fact. Over the past few years, we've helped hundreds of complete beginners publish books and earn passive royalties. Most of them had zero experience. Now their small creations bring in sales with very little effort. Here's why this works so well. You get exclusive AI cloud software. You get built-in free buyer traffic. You pay no recurring fees, and you never add your own API codes. You also get unlimited Nano Banana image power, which is included. You also get a full case study and step-by-step video training. The traffic part matters most, but the best part is you don't need to chase traffic. You simply place your books where buyers already buy. You can use Amazon KDP, Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers. You can also add your book to Apple Books or Kobo and Google Play Books. The list goes on and on. You upload your file, you publish your listing, and the store brings in the buyers and the sales. The old way was super painful. You juggled 4 different tools. You wrote long prompts that gave random results. You fixed weird images and broken layouts and formats. You also had to pay monthly fees and surprise API charges. You stayed up late and still did not have the book you wanted. The new way is super simple. You work in one browser tool. You get consistent art and a professional cover. You get a KDP-ready interior without extra steps. You don't pay monthly fees, and like I mentioned before, you never have to add your own API keys. Here's a plan in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you create your storybook with our AI tool. Step 2, you upload it to free buyer traffic websites. Step 3, you collect royalties from happy customers, and that's all. It really is that simple. If you want speed, this is built for you. You type a simple idea and the system drafts the story. You pick a style and the system locks the characters to look the same across all the pages in your storybook. It formats the interior for prints and it builds a clean, professional book cover. If you need a small fix, you just regenerate and it will fix that page, the text, and the image all in one shot. Then you just export your files and upload them. This solution is called Ohanashi AI Gen. This tool removes every common hurdle or obstacle you have faced in the past. You don't need difficult methods or long prompts. You don't need traffic tricks or stock on hand. You don't need sales copy or a website. You don't need to worry about formatting or niche hunting for hours on end. You don't pay recurring fees. And like I said, this is a very important fact. You never have to add your own API key. We take care of it all in-house. Inside, you also get powerful features that makes results fast. You get InstaStory, which turns one idea into a 20 to 30 page age-appropriate draft in seconds. That means for children books or for adult books. You also get Style Chooser. This locks in tone the pacing, for example, bedtime stories, adventure stories, educational, fairy tale, creepy stories, or even funny stories. You also get smart illustrator anchor characters, which keeps all your characters and backgrounds consistent across the entire storybook that you create. You also get the quick edit mode, which lets you fix one page without rebuilding the entire book. You also get KDP ready PDFs that give you the right trim size every single time. On top of that, you get our book cover studio, and in it, you can build clean covers that gets more clicks and ultimately more sales. On top of that, you get commercial rights, which are included. So you legally own everything you make. We have no say what you do once you create it. If that wasn't enough, you get the training library and the complete free traffic training guide, which is step by step and geared for newbies and beginners. So you never need any guesswork whatsoever. Would you like a steady passive royalty income with minimal effort? This is the fastest path. There is no confusion, no extra bills, and no audience needed. This is just one tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. Click the button, get inside, follow the simple steps. Your first sellable book can be ready much sooner than you think. I'm Mike Pause, and I hope to see you inside.